Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. A new growing season is just around the corner, and you are beginning to think about all the materials you will need to get your plants off to a good start. There is no ingredient more important than the soil. The main problem of urban gardeners is the supplement of the soil. The potting soil is easily available in the nursery or any online shop, but it's too costly. So today, my mom will tell you how you can use your old garden soil and make it available for the plants again. It's generally fine to reuse potting soil if whatever you were growing in it was healthy. If you did notice pests or diseases on your plants, it's best to sterilize the mix to avoid infection next year's plant. If you have a potting soil filled with roots, then you should not use it for potting for your plants. You should most probably put it in your composting bin. But don't worry, after 3 months, it will be also usable for your garden soil, as it will add a lot of micro and macronutrient as well as a lot of good bacteria. Now let's see how we can sterilize the old potting soil. First, remove any roots, grubs, leaves and other debris from the old potting soil. Then decide on the best method for banishing microbes and insects. One technique for sterilizing soil is called solarizing. You just have to free the moisture from the soil by letting the soil under the sun. It is enough to kill the bugs and pathogens. Look at what my mom is doing now. My mom will add some lime with the soil. It's easily available in a pawn shop. But the question arrives, does the lime clean the soil? Lime can also clean the soil, removing toxicities and infusing the ground with essential nutrients. This often clears up common grass and turf issues, leading to a healthier and better looking garden. Made of limestone or chalk, lime's main component is calcium carbonate. It adds calcium and magnesium to the soil. My mom had added lime to it and had let it rest under the sunlight. My mom now stored it in a container and now is adding some bioenzyme in it. Bioenzyme can enhance and increase the soil's organic matter. Bioenzyme, as I told you, has good bacteria and it can help the soil having micro and macronutrient. This way, if you sterilize and fertilize the soil, then you can use this soil for your next growing season. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.